Have you ever wondered why it is nearly impossible to escape North Korea? First, let's consider the borders. North Korea is bordered by South Korea, China, and Russia. The Korean demilitarized zone between North and South Korea is one of the most fortified borders in the world, with over 1 million landmines and armed guards patrolling day and night. To the north, the Tumen River forms a natural barrier between North Korea and China, with a small stretch touching Russia. This river is closely monitored by North Korean border guards who have orders to shoot to kill. But it's not just physical barriers. The regime's control is absolute. Kim Jong-un's government enforces a brutal surveillance state. Citizens are under constant watch, and any sign of dissent can lead to imprisonment or execution. According to Human Rights Watch, escape attempts can lead to severe punishment, not just for the escapee, but for their entire family. Despite these dangers, around 1,000 North Koreans manage to escape each year, often enduring harrowing journeys through China, where they risk being captured and sent back. So next time you feel trapped, remember, true captivity exists, and it has a name: North Korea.